Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to update the applications on this device. So, if you want to update the applications on your watch, you need to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Oh, my bad, let's close this and open it again, like this. And in the application you should see the health page. Now, let's tap on the devices icon right here to open the devices page, and on this page select the Watch GT Runner from the list of devices. Now scroll down, find the option called App Gallery and tap on it. And here tap on the Manager option. And as you can see, we have the updates category right here, and we have an update for the Petal Maps. And to update the application, simply tap on the Update button and wait until the application is done updating. And once the application is done updating and you have no more updates, it will disappear from this list and it will say no updates. And you can close the app on your phone. And that's how you update the applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.